like the Denver Metro Association of Realtors, or DMAR for short, came out with a market trends analysis for October of 2021. Let's go check it out. If you're curious to know where exactly DMAR sort of is incorporated, it's these 11 counties right here. Adams County, Douglas County, all the way to the eastern foothills of the Rocky Mountains. Now I know there's a lot of numbers here, but the most important things to really look at is active listings at month's end. So according to the prior month, from September to October, it has decreased about 15%, and year over year, it has decreased about 30%. It's very much a seller's market still, and there's really no signs of slowing down at this moment. To really point out the seller's market, look at the closing price average as well as the closing price median. It has gone up about 10% year over year, and the median has increased about 1% from last month and about 13% from year over year, October of 2020 to October of 2021. Now, what's really cool about the DMAR newsletter is that they also provide market insights as well. So purchasing a home is a way to curb inflation for many. In a conventional 15, 20, or 30-year loan, it's a great way to hedge against inflation. I mean, with the 6.2% that has been announced by the Fed recently, maintaining a solid monthly payment for the term of the loan, 15, 20, 30 years, is a really good way to hedge against that. What's also really cool about the DMAR newsletter is that you get some cool events that happen around the neighborhood. Mike Shanahan recently sold his single-family home for $15.75 million, the most expensive sale of residential property. Now, for those of you that are not so keen on the price point of Denver in general, the high cost of living, look at attached homes, townhomes, condos, and things like that. There's a significant difference from the blue and the yellow, blue being attached houses and yellow being the detached houses. It's ranging about 170,000 to 210,000 difference ever since 2020, last year. This also further points out that it is still a strong seller's market. There's really not much slowdown, and up here, there's a slight upward trend as we go into October. So we might see a difference in the November, December markets. We'll see. Again, like I said, still a strong seller's market. Looking at the yellow, we're seeing a lot of active listings even go under the amount of closed homes that have been on sale or have sold within the past year or so. Pretty insane. Unprecedented times and still a strong seller's market, like I said. So that about wraps it up for part one. Stick around for part two. I have a little bit more information to guide you through the newsletter. Stick around.